Hey everybody, so this is that Westendorf TA28 Plus quick attach loader. The brackets are on the tractor right now, guys. I will get the pictures of them. It comes with the brackets. They're the universal bracket that'll fit any tractor lengthwise, whether it's a Deere or an International. It just has to be the right width. I'll get the pictures of the width. So the width on this bracket right here, outside edge to outside edge, is about 42.5. So again, I'll get good pictures of the brackets. This loader was purchased brand new. We are going to sell it as it sits. So you're going to get the 8-foot bucket. It's got the reinforced bracing inside of it with the grapple fork. So you've got your grapple fork hydraulic hookups right here. So it's a quick attach Westendorf TA28 Plus, purchased brand new from Norfolk Implement. You can see, guys, this thing has no cracks, no broken welds, hardly any scratches even on this thing, guys. Has had very, very little use. Bucket has no signs of bowing. I mean, the cutting edge still looks brand new on this thing. Slight bend on this tooth here from grabbing a round bale. Other than that, though, guys, this thing's as close to a brand new loader as you're going to find. We have the hydraulic hookups also on the tractor. We'll get pictures of that. So make sure to read everything that comes with it. This loader's coming as a set, ready to go to work, as the grapple fork, bucket, and loader. We are going to offer a different attachment that fits this loader, but that is going to be a separate item on the auction. That'll be that bale spear right there. But other than that, extremely nice loader, guys. Good, reliable loader. No hydraulic leaks on the cylinders, anything like that. Damn nice loader, ready to go to work.